Umkhonto President Jacob Zuma Umhlaba ukhetho Yanibingelela comrades nguzulu boy bafanele thina amadawu xamavitshela bashelela kabamdlali uPrempesisi bahlala baphenduka mgingena senanda njengofana nela comrades mina ngithi ukhetho sesilithathile ngomhla 29 angazi kwabanye hayi sesilithathile ngani kwethu kodwa we creative sicela ukunikhuthaza nje ukuthi ngoba siyazi ama frustrations ama budgets akhona asithole nama flyers sime ama robotini sipha abantu blitz share ama blitz siba encourage ama command ukuthi awahamba awovota avotela iMK ngomhla 29 enye into ke ma comrades at the age of 20 uPresident Jacob Zuma waboshwa wayohlala eRobben Island wahlala for 10 years eRobben Island ethola umkhabulo koSisulu noNelson Mandela wathi mayiphuma lapho waya eMozambique eyohlangana noJoe Slovo egcotshwa enika ileadership yakhe yokuba ihead of intelligence operation yokuqala ahamba aya kuyona was an operation called Operation Quito Carnaval la amukelwa khona uFidel Castro wamukelwa uChe Guevara ama comrades aseCuba le operation Quito Carnaval yayinamabhunu abelungu aba 260 ababeyitshela ukuthi baye on a school camp eAngola kanti babeyobulala bethi target practice ngamasosha omkhonto wesizwe bathi belanda eAngola kwaba neambush eyayi-orchestratewe uFidel Castro uChe Guevara noPresident Jacob Zuma yokuembusha leli bhanoyi labelungu aba 260 lathi lilanda leli bhanoyi labelungu aba 260 uComrade President Jacob Zuma walivula leli bhanoyi wathi melivula sebelambushile wathi meyiqalaza wabona izingane ezincane no 18 no 17 years old uComrade President Jacob Zuma wabhala incwadi wathi we will fight soldiers not these young men noma ngabe kuthiwa babelungu noma bekuthiwa bayini ungakhohlwa lokho it was called Operation Quito Carnaval wasuka uComrade Jacob Zuma emfaka ukubhala incwadi wafaka upetrol kuleli bhanoyi lamabhuna seSouth Africa ayizobulala ama commander eLusaka ma commander bathi mebe ufaka upetrol lajika lelo bhanoyi labuyele eSouth Africa kunamhlanje kunamabhuna ayo 260 abuya kubazali baba bathi ma wena ubuthi ungise emasosheni kanti uyongibulalisa mina ngiyamaza umuntu ekuthiwa uPresident Jacob Zuma ufyulile ibhano esesitshela ukuthi siyafa wasibuyisela eNingizimu Afrika namhlanje kunama sculptures enziwe Butcher Boys in the beginning of our revolution sithi siyabonga Nqamalala Msholozi siyabonga Jacob Zuma siyabonga indima oyidlalile kumkhonto wesizwe jikijela mkhonto jikijela Jikijela mkhonto jikijela amandla
awuthi niyase manje bafana
Comrades, we must not disappoint uComrade President Zuma nge-18 mele igcwale iOrlando Stadium mele siyenze show ukuthi each one of you ye-Orlando Stadium ngabantu abawu-10 usuka namhlanje make sure ukuthi utshela your next door neighbor utshela girlfriend ne boyfriend utshela ingane zakho utshela umama wasekhaya utshela ubaba wasekhaya ukuthi nge-18 sonke sizabe sise-Orlando phambili ngo-Orlando phambili comrades uNkulunkulu uthande kakhulu wasinikeza uMoses ukuthi asikhiphe kule Gibhiti ezweni elibi kakhulu eliphethwe uFaro Ramaphosa ocishela amanzi ocishela ugesi asibulala ngendlala nangekholera sesiphuma nakuba COVID ngenxa yakho webuRamaphosa iwandla elibomvu comrades ngomhla ka-29 May we are going to cross that river. We are going to be led by Moses our Moses Ubabu Msholozi. We can't disappoint him, comrades. Our first immediate battle ukugcwalisa iOrlando Stadium. Comrades, asigcwalise iOrlando Stadium ukutshengisa ukuthi MK ilana, MK izophatha ukuthi abantu abamnyama bakhululeke ngempela. Phambili ngeMK, phambili. Ngiyabonga.
Ezamkhonto ngibona abafana abancane bephethe bhazuka jikeleza mkhonto khonto wesizwe awumkhonto wesizwe jikeleza mkhonto ngibona abafana abancane baphethe bhazuka jikeleza mkhonto ngibona abafana abancane baphethe bhazuka jikeleza mkhonto bathi Krisi wehani umkhonto ubuyile jikeleza mkhonto Krisi wehani umkhonto ubuyile jikeleza amandla awethu, long live the agitating spirit of Chris Ali, long live. Long live the undying spirit of Mama Winnie Madikizela Mandela, long live. Long live the spirit of Oliver Tambo, long live. Long live the spirit of Bantu Bigo, long live. Long live the spirit of Robert Mangaliso Sobukwe, long live. Thank you very much, comrades. Comrades, those who do not know me, my name is Unamandla and my surname is Kotelana. I stand before you as the deputy convener of Umkhonto Wesizwe Youth League in Greater Johannesburg region. Leadership. It's a morning indeed, it's a morning. And comrades, when we say it's a morning is a symbol of hope, because a morning is a moment where light is coming. So finally, light is coming in South Africa. Finally, there is hope that the black people of South Africa will reclaim what belongs to them. Because, comrade, this struggle, these comrades who are standing in front of me, I want to believe they are from exile. Comrades, the struggle you were fighting for is not the struggle to sit in the same toilet with the white men. The struggle you were fighting for is not a struggle to move freely on the street. You were fighting for the struggle of the land, of the wealth of our country. Because we were dispossessed of everything which belonged to us as black people when the white men came to our land. They dispossessed us of everything using the gun, comrades. Up until a point where we said, no, we must go to exile and pick up the very same gun to bring war unto war to end all wars. So, comrades, we want to understand, and we believe, in fact, that the ANC of Ramaphosa is the ANC that is reversing the revolutionary gains which our people fought for, which was not complete, by the way. Each and every person who got an opportunity to lead this country was supposed to continue that struggle up until the black person has what belongs to them, which is the wealth, comrades. The struggle is about wealth. It's about what was dispossessed. It's not about these neo-colonialist policies and all that. It's about the total liberation, which includes economic freedom. We want economic freedom. We want to own the economy, not to only eat crumbs that fall from the master's table. Comrades, as we are here today, we are here to complete that struggle, because the ANC has sold out. Comrades, in the ANC now, the ANC is captured. People who go there to lead are people who lead because of money. And money rests with these very same oppressors. So into abayenzayo bakhipha imali. But hayi na imali akangena usibanibani anilide lapho. Makangena usibanibani esilida afika control walawulo. So we know our leaders.
We are here to defend Umsholozi because Umsholozi is the only one man who stood against everything. Hence ethukwa imedia, hence ehlaselwa ngayo yonke indlela ahlaselwa ngayo namhlanje. It's because Umsholozi uyena umuntu oyedwa esimaziyo okoko waba loyal to the cause of umuntu omnyama. Unfortunately, Chris Anabeko. Yabona Chris Ani. If Chris Ani was here, Chris Ani basheshe bamcisha in the dawn of democracy, knowing ukuthi Chris Ani makangayinikwa lento orabe khona la. Ngeke yenzeke yonke lento eyenzakalayo. Chris Ani wayephuma yedwa ecaleni ngisho ku unpopular ukwenza njalo. Aphume yedwa Chris Ani athi hayi. Ancamele yonke into athi hayi. Ngeke kwenzeke kanje. Uma ngabe ukuyifunda Chris Ani memorandum uzobona kwakuse exile lapha. Kwangekho lulu ukuthi ungavela uqhamuke nje uzodifa. Uhlele emahlathini. Qhamuka one man jive. Wathi no. Njengamanje siya deviate manje comrade. Asibuyeni nganeno. So uChris Ani has multiplied through the President Jacob Zuma. We want to see Abo Mama Winnie, but of our times. As young people, we are saying, Umkhonto wesizwe is our future. Umkhonto wesizwe yithemba lethu lokugcina. Umkhonto wesizwe is our only hope because manje bese sisele nabantu nje abafuna ukuconforma, abafuna ukureforma, abafuna ukuzela nezinto ezineoliberal. Comrade, we speak revolution, we speak radical revolution. We are the radical militant youth of Umkhonto wesizwe, and radical means when we speak about a radical revolution, comrade, we speak about a 360 degrees of change. 360 degrees, comrades. Okushukuthi, the first must be the last, and the last must be the first. Amandla! Awe, two!
Hayi yachikijela bafana. Na hizi yakhahleli gearbox. It is radical revolution now. Angazi nomyangizwa. Ihlanganisa neBhayibheli ithi abokuqala baba abogqina baba yini abokuqala. Yazi ukuthini lento. Njengoba bakuthatha kancane. One day uwe umuntu wamampela ozobuhleli kuphi lapha. Bafethu ngiyayishintsha manje igiya. Ngidonsa bomama Africa manje. Abanikazi bestrati ngidonsa imbokodo ngidonsa bomama Wini bakhona bomama Wini bamanje abo sister Busi basondela lapha kwami abo sisteri abathukanga abeza abo sisteri woza komandiri ume lapha kwami iNewcastle ingasabi iNewcastle ngicela labo mama laba bazodubula manje Newcastle nayo ilunge kugodole inkosi yamatekisi na ibilunga ubelungu nabezitha bafowethu ngicela amakomanda asondele azizwayo komandiri sondela uzogibela ningathuki manje bafowethu ngidubula ngamabhuleti akusamabhuleti okugcina ningacabanga ukuthi ngithukile ukuthi sengilungisela ukuthi kuzongena ubaba umsholozi uzoba eqede ngabo lapha phakathi azodubula azo-addressa abaphethe bakhathele bafowethu abathi kusidlula bese bayasukuma basidlule ba-understandele impilo yethu is all about i-survival. Masithi morning bafowethu lento ye-morning sisuke sikhuluma ukuthi asilali nasebusuku ngo-12 kusemini kithi siyikhova zomnotho simamela iground bese siyahaleza nizozwa labo mama abathukanga ngifuna ukuthi manje ngithi dubula komandiri
Amandla! Long live Jacob Zuma, long live! Long live MK Party, long live! Forward with radical economic forward with economic transformation, forward! Phambili ngomnotho wase South Africa, phambili! That one, comrades. I'm sorry, Mama Africa, Lona. Amandla. Mama Africa. Gimelana under the name Imbokodo. Gimela bo mama bomkhonto wesizwe. Gimelana ngizocela bo mama bomkhonto wesizwe ukuthi jikijela Mbokodo jikijela. ungasabi lutho noma bangaze bathi kuyiwaphi no Jacob Zuma siyaye ekhethweni. Comrades, all we are saying is 2/3 majority. We did say this in December 24 and 26. Ours is to go and work ama-VTs ethu. And indeed, in no time, South Africa was green. I want to say to the youth of EMK, we are behind you, Siyabo Mama Bomkhonto. We are behind you with free education. We are behind you that you must go for military training. We are behind you to become entrepreneurs. We are ready to be governed by Jacob Zuma. Ayeye Masela ayeye. Puma Cyril Ramaphosa puma. Ngena Babu Msholozi ngena. Silana sonke comrades. All we are saying, Sabo Mama, let us forge unity. Let us forge unity so that we can get into that majority. Moving forward, Masugala. Umuntu ozakuwe athi nyara nyawumtshela ukuthi 2/3 majority. Hey, umbonile uba 2/3 majority. We are going to win. The MK South Africa izobusa, whether you like it or not, comrades. Some of us are activists. So don't be afraid ukuthi sihlala sikhuluma. We don't want to be leaders or whatsoever. For now, in leadership we'll get it from the masses in due time. For now, everybody, let us go and vote to 2/3 majority. Buya Zuma buya. Hamba Cyril hamba.
Imbokoti izoqhubeka ishaya. Amakomanda athathela ukusondela azoshaya mele babuyele phakathi. Comrade Kobajeff, ngicela ungene nizokwazi ukuthi nibuyele phakathi. Bese sichubeka ngohlelo labo mama.
Jikijela Mkhonto jikijela. Jikijela Mkhonto jikijela. Aha Mkhonto aha. Aha Mkhonto aha. Sibatshelile wema. Sathu Yesu Mkhonto wese. Sibatshelile wema. Sathu Yesu Mkhonto wese. Sathu Yesu Mkhonto welele ma uYesu Mkhonto welele ma uYesu Mkhonto welele ma uYesu Mkhonto. Besibatshela ngoba because bengasibelieve ukuthi umkhonto uyeza, umkhonto uzophatha. All of us, comrades, you must remember that Solomon Mahlangu, when he was about to be hanged, Bambus go to Solomon Mahlangu, what do you want to say? What to Solomon Mahlangu? Mama, tell my people that I love them. What Mama, tell my people I love them. They must continue with the struggle. My blood will nourish the tree that will bear the fruits of freedom. Solomon Mahlangu bekhuluma nam nawe. Ati you must continue with the struggle. As long as abantu umhlaba ungakabuyela ebantwini, you must continue with the struggle. But lo myalezo bewunika umama ngoba ngama 80s sakhona phezulu kwendlu gibela phezulu kwendlu batshe. Jabula mangishaye phonu mamu gibela phezulu kwendlu batshe. Jabula mangishaye phonu mamu jabula mama. Jabula mangishaye phonu mamu jabula mama. Jabula mangishaye phonu mamu. Ngoba because of besithi umama uyajabula beshaya amabhunu ngoba uSolomon Mahlangu wanika umama umyalezo ukuthi tshela abantu bami ba continue ukuzabalaza. Sithi nabo mama namhlanje uSolomon Mahlangu unikile iBayton wathi tshelana abantu ukuthi bahambe bayozabalaza. So sithi kwabo mama namhlanje, it is important, it is very much important ngoba amabhunu bebulala abantwana babo mama. Sithi mama usele yedwa ma we mama we mama musele yedwa bo we mama musele yedwa mo we mama musele yedwa bo
mama, ngoba bomama with the pillar of the struggle bazalwane. So siyababiza namhlanje sithi sasambeni ke bazalwane sisonke with the spirit ka Solomon Mahlangu ethi mama tell my people that I love them. Mama, tell my people that I love them. Zanga Solomon Mahlangu, mama, go and tell this organization I love it. What to tell my people that I love them. What they must continue with the struggle. My blood will nourish the tree of liberation. Let us all wake up the lion amongst ourselves. Solomon Mahlangu. Let's tell our people that we love them. Let us tell our people that we must continue with the struggle. Let's tell our people who to mama angeka jabule engakathola umhlaba. Asitshele ukuthi umama ngeke ajabule umntana akhe thola 350 ndoda yakhe thola 350. Asibatshele ukuthi Solomon Mahlangu wayibona le ndaba lena wathi noba kunzima noba kunjani mama tell my people that I love them. So sinomyalezo ke namhlanje. Sinomyalezo kini nonke bazalwane ukuthi sathi masilauncha iMK party nge-16 zika December 2023 we had only two choices, my comrade, to submit or to fight. My comrade, those that want to submit, those that are submitting are those that are those that are submitting, those that are submitting, my comrade, we have resolved to fight and fight and fight up until the land is returned back to the kings. We are going to fight and fight and fight. Safara umama uyasafara ngalabantwana. We are going to fight. All of us, we didn't fight for this freedom for ukuthi abantwana benza ama-abortion. We didn't fight for this freedom yokuthi abantu babe same sex marriage. We fight for this freedom because sifuna ukuyunita abantu abamnyama and sifuna umhlaba. Sithi ke ma-comrade nonke asifuseni ispirit ka Solomon Mahlangu ethi mama tell my people that I love them. They must continue with the struggle. Umama usele yedwa bo mama tutuzeka bo mama tutuzeka bo mama tutuzeka bo. As I conclude, my comrade, bangasisa everywhere, bangasisa in each and every court. Bafuna ukuthi umkhonto wesizwe ungaphathi. Sithi masela polishani icathulo zenu ezimpunga niphume enambeni union building ngoba unqamalala ubhizi ufuna ukungena ma comrade, ufuna ukuletha economic freedom kubantwana bethu, ufuna ukuthola economic freedom in our lifetime. Sithi angeke nathi ma comrade siresteke maqabane, ngeke sireste ma comrade. All of us ma comrade asamisotshela nabo makhelwane ukuthi siye Orlando, so launcha imanifesto Orlando ma comrade, asenzeni Orlando ibe green ma comrade. Bathi Orlando kuhlala heroes. Yithi my heroes, my comrade. We are the people as my heroes, my comrade. Sitkena sensonke Orlando maqabane, asitshela nabo makhelwane, longana moto simlifteni, longana skipper simthengeleni skipper, lona ngakwazi ukuhamba simthutheni my comrade. So that at the end of the day sibonakala ukuthi sibahlaza my comrade. Siyayithatha le majority. Amandla. Jikitela mkhonto jikitela. Jikitela mkhonto jikitela. Isibhamu salabafana awusinkumbuza Oliver Tambo yibambeni webafana yibambeni wezinsizwa yibambeni webafana yibambeni wezinsizwa isibhamu salabafana awusinkumbuza
Oliver Tambo. Amanda! You've been sending a message. Githi sikudlula all the way. Kuwo wonke ama event akhona. Today, youth ikhulume nge-radical revolution. Manje, what are you saying, Commander?
Mangithi ngicaya ngokunibhora, ngizonibhora. Mangithi amanga nizothi ewabo. Mangithi amandla nizothi owethu. Ngizonikwatisa futhi ngizothi viva ANC viva. Ngizwe ukuthi nizothini. Ngithi viva Cyril Ramaphosa viva ngizwe ukuthi nizothini mina. Yeah. Ngizontshela futhi ukuthi umkhonto wesizwe khona ile ihim or umkhabulo esawujika thina lokwasipantile. Kuthiwa umkhonto wesizwe Shaya mabon, oza mkhonto wesizwe, mkhonto wesizwe, shaya wesizwe, shaya mabon, oza mkhonto wesizwe. Phansi ma revolutionary ngoba uyabona lapho ngibuya khona mina ngisasebenzisi lento ukuthi ayicomrade ngoba icomrade isela comrade Tsotsi comrade Clever comrade Manyala sesithi singama revolutionary ngoba irevolutionary alitshonti irevolutionary alihlebi irevolutionary althuki abantu and revolutionary futhi yalithakathi la ngibuya khona mina ngithi revolutionary umuntu oright umuntu othanda izinto eziright umuntu omamelayo ene umuntu onenkani umuntu ongashisa amoshe ajike futhi ayakhe yonke lento ayishisile ayimoshile ayenze ifane njengalento ayifunayo yena. That is a revolutionary. Kuyafuneka ukuthi sithumele i-message to the Stellenbosch mafia. We know who are the top 6 of the ANC yaka Ramaphosa. Abo Rupert, abo Chris Viso, abo Oppenheimer, abo Dovstein, abo Koos Gerber, abo Stefan Kortkhoff, Sibas Bonke, abo Elon Musk. Funeke sipatshele ukuthi ubhekani la wozani nina nizomamela ukuthi umkhonto wesizwe uthini ningazositshela sizontshela nina ukuthi for the first 30 years namosha ilizwe ngokuthatha imali yabasebenzi nithathe imali yomjuluko yabafowethu nabodadewethu ni corrupt laba fat cat. Sibatshele ukuthi funeke manje nilungise lento lena enomkhonto wesizwe ufuna ukuthi nenze lokhu naloku yiyo into efuneka iyenziwe bakhona lama multi-billionaire afuna ukukhuluma nomkhonto wesizwe abazi ukuthi bangangenaphi bangangena kanjani ngoba banamahloni. So what we need to do, we must tell this billionaire white monopoly capitalists that we are prepared to talk to them, but they must listen to what we are telling them. Hayi ukuthi basitshele thina ukuthi kufuneka kwenzweni wemkhonto wesizwe wemkhonto wesizwe bathi woza umkhonto wesizwe khona le enye ethi umkhonto wesinkwa ne khona le ethi umkhonto wesinkwa yamabhujwa leyo yamabhujwa yeah
izothi shaya amabhujwa
yeah shaya amabhujwa
oh okay
umkhonto wesinkwa wemkhonto wesinkwa bathi shaya amabhujwa woza
mkhonto wesizwe siyabonga commander kuze ukhafule amandla jikijela mkhonto jikijela this organization bafethu ivulela wonke umuntu besine event abafethu with disability right and they are prepared to lead. It's time sokuthi uvelele uma ubiziwe. Lenhlangano eyabantu abanobizo. So uma uzohlalela emuva unesiphiwo uwazi ukuthi fanele ulead abantu bese uzoma ngale usaba ukukhuluma. Today ngicela ukuthi abomama komandiri sibanikeze isikhathi sabo. Ngiyazi ukuthi Newcastle ikhona, ngiyazi ukuthi emadadeni ikhona ila phakathi. So bomama ngicela nidubule commanders. My selector awunyakazisa abomama before bashaya masinyane. Komandiri nyakazisa abomama masinyane. Siyazi umsholozi ukuthi uyagwaza lapha phakathi umkhonto uyagwaza.